Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, in this video I would like to show you the continuation of the detail drawing, which is the rear top casing. As you can see here, we have this the rear top casing. For the rear top casing, I open it, the part file. So this is our rear top casing. Right, so in the drawing for this rear top casing, so I will add another new sheet for this drawing and the view palette. So here we have rear top casing. Alright, for the detail drawing of this rear top casing, I will when we look at the shape of this rear top casing, I will go for top view. So under the view palette, I will select the top view. I will drag it here, and okay, I will not go for another view. I just simply escape. Right, since this I have to make this scale also to 1. Okay, and here it should be showing the hidden line. Okay, this not supposed to be here. I need to delete this view. Okay, now I have the top view, and the idea of me put the top view here is I will do the horizontal full sectioning to make a front view, section view, and also I will do a remove section on certain I will do a remove section on this rib, and also at certain position here to show some features on the, so it will be on the side view, section view. Right, so what I will do then, I will do a full section horizontal, show is in middle, then I click OK. Okay, this one since it's cutting we have a rib there, but it's cutting crosswise, not longwise, so I simply click OK. And this is my front section view. Right, this is my front section view. The level for this, I go for X. Alright, about the scale here, I need to edit. The scale is to 1. Right, and also about the drawing number for this rear top casing, if we look at this BOM, the rear top casing, okay, the drawing is part number 8. Rear top casing will be drawing number 3. Right, it will be drawing number 3, and same goes for this drawing number 3. Right, and okay, here the sheet 1 here, I will rename it as rear top casing. Okay, about the title here, rear top casing, and okay, under notation here, we'll put notes. The material is plastic. Right, and this is drawing number 3. Right, So I will exit this, then I'm back to drawing mode. Okay. Uh, okay, since I mentioned that I have this front section view, and on top view I have the cutting plane XX section, I will do another remove section. I will do another section to vertical. I will put the position up to this position to show some features of the section view. Since I don't think so we have any rib cutting there, so I just simply click OK. Then I will put the section view to here. Alright, and also about the direction of this cutting plane here should be flip direction. Alright, since this is attached to the top view, so this is on the left section view. So I need to put it, I need to rotate it, since I need to bring it to the left of this front view. So the first thing I need to got to break the alignment. Then now I can rotate view. The angle is 90. Apply, close. So this will be supposed to be here. This is a left section view from this remove section BD. So this one I will name it as Y. Right. Okay, and here, okay, since the scale already mentioned in the title block, so I don't need this. Right. Okay, another thing I forgot to set this view actually still not in line with the front view. So I right click at it and will go for alignment and align horizontal by center, and I pick this front section view, so it's in line. Okay, then let me adjust a little bit. Make sure it's at the center. Okay, this is a remove section, and another remove section that I will do is where I have to make a vertical sectioning to show the features of the rib, since we have three similar ribs here. So I will do another section view vertical at this middle point. Then I will click OK. Okay, now it's asking about the rib feature. Since it is cutting longwise the rib, I can select this rib. Okay, sometimes it's hard to select here like this. So to pointing, this is the rib that this cutting line is cutting longwise. So sometimes it's hard to select the rib. Another way is when I bring my mouse here, I right click at it. There is an option select other, make sure it reads the, alright, you can do it like this, select others, face rib 9, then it's stated there. And alright, okay, sometimes if it is not selected, I simply click OK first. Then I just bring it here. Okay, I will do a rotate. If I bring it to the right, rotation is negative 90. Okay, about this, since it is cutting, this BE section is cutting the rib, this rib not supposed to be hatched, right? Okay, to remove the rib from be hatched is I bring the mouse here, I right click at it, and I go to properties. Okay, under the section scope here, okay, I can select like this. If it is not listed here, I can bring my mouse here, select other, then make sure that I select the rib features. So it is selected like this. Then if I click OK, so now the rib is not in hatching. All right. So that's how we remove the rib. Okay, since this still attached, I need to break the alignment break. So I will bring this remove section around here. Right, so this label is I already have XX, YY, so this will be Z. Okay, Z section. All right. Okay, about this section here, I need to delete the center mark. I will do it manually, center mark for this, and click OK. Then I will not check use document default. I go for one, right? And same goes here. Right. Okay. All right. Now I will go for dimensioning. Okay. As I mentioned to you, we don't have to really show really complete dimensions as long as we can show some important features. Since this is a plastic component, so what I will do dimension on the total length of this red top casing from here to here. So I will go to the bottom side, and I can go for the total height here from here. Okay, since this is not done by, this actually not straight edges, I do it by using lofting. I can select this point and this point, and this total height. And about this side, I select the dot here and dot here, so 11. All right, another dimension that I need to show is the width, okay, the width of this red top casing. I can use the point here and here, this is the width. All right, just to remind you, for when you do dimension, you have a cutting plane here. So your dimension need to be extended. You will make sure that your dimension line will not cut the section line, the section plane here. So I will bring my dimension here. And I can do dimension on this. If you look here, if this is section YY, I can show the features here, the dimension of this radius, and also the inner radius, inner circle. Okay, later I will do a adjustment in terms of the position and also the decimal point. Right, so this will be these features, and also I can give okay, since I have already give this, okay, this section is for me to do dimension of the rib. I don't have to do dimension, so this is the features of already been dimension, diameter 13. So I need to show the dimension of the radius of this rib. Okay, radius of this rib, and let me bring, okay, the radius of this rib, and I can show the dimension, the distance here. Okay, I'm just putting the dimension. Later I will do some adjustment in terms of the position of the dimension. And all right, another dimension that I can show is since we have this thing, we have a groove. Since this is red top casing, we have a groove distance. Yes, I will go for this dimension too. Then I can go for a dimension of we have a groove here for the key of the bottom casing. Snap at this groove for, and distance from here to here is 7. Okay, this one I go for none. Right. Okay. I got to bring this little bit to this position. Right. As you can see, the arrow of, if you look, this arrow of this um, 7 is like this. Okay, if I click, kind of like the arrow is weird. If I click at this dimension in terms of the leader, I can use the second option. So now the arrow is have this orientation. Okay, this looks not as just now the arrowhead. We have a double arrowhead. So okay, this is okay for this dimension 7. And everything here I need to hold decimal point. Yeah, there is one decimal point, and yes, one no decimal point. Right. Okay. Another dimension that I can do. Okay. Another dimension is, all right. The next dimension is the um, thickness. Okay. I need to click at the dimension. Hold on. From this point to this point, and also the height of this groove here. Okay. I can. Okay. Another dimension is we have the three read here. This is a section view of the three read, and I can give the first is the starting position of this read 0.5, and uh, here I give the thickness of the reed 1, and here I give the distance from this to here 19, and here I give the distance from here to here 9. Okay, and also I need to show the length, the height of this reed from this line to this line. Okay, hold on. Dimension from this line to, okay, I can use point from this point to this point, so I can bring the 6 here. Okay, so right, let me do some adjustment. Okay, I already give this dimension for this rib. The thickness is done and the position is done. The height of the rib is done. Okay, another thing is about the this length 5. Okay, I need to show also the dimension of from here to here to show that the thickness is 1. And right, and okay, I think another dimension is hold on. All right, I think I have completed the dimension, and let me adjust this thing. This thing need to be here, right? And this need to be a little bit closer to the object. All right, I think yeah, I have completed the dimension for this red top casing. Right, so I have the title red top casing, material is plastic, and drawing number 3. Okay. In the BOM, red top casing will be drawing number 3, and the scale is to 1. So since this drawing only contains only red top casing, so I don't have to put the local note here. All right. So the next I will show you, let me save my file first. The next will be the front top casing. Okay, before I go for front top casing, let me make a final adjustment here. Okay, by the way, since if you look here, cutting the cutting line Y wires, this is the section view. This is actually is the side view of this front section view. This YY sectioning is actually is a full section. It's not category as remove section. But for this ZZ here, cutting, this is category can be categorized as a remove section. So I can put it somewhere, anywhere around it. It don't have to be aligned to this front section view. All right. Okay. For the next part, I think the last part of our last drawing of our SolidWorks electric eraser is the we need to show is the front top casing here. Okay, before I go for front top casing, let me close my red top casing to save memory. Okay, so for the assembly file, so I will go for front top casing. I will open it. All right, this front top casing also plastic material, and so okay in the drawing. Okay, so in the drawing, the assembly for the since the red top casing is 3, front top casing the drawing number is 4. Okay, drawing number is 4. Same goes for this BOM of exploded drawing. The front top casing, the drawing number is 4. Right, so here I will add another drawing sheet here, and I will rename this as front top casing. Okay, it's not showing here because of the I can drag this tab if I drag, because sometimes Yeah, I can drag it like this. Okay, we have a front top casing. Now is our drawing for front top casing. So here under the view palette, so I will click at the front top casing. All right. Okay, before I drag the views about the title block, I edit it. This must be front top casing. Okay, let me escape. Need to delete this. Okay, the front top casing is drawing number 4. Okay, the scale, I will use 2:1 scale as well. Right, so we have front top casing, material plastic, drawing number 4, and scale is 2:1. Okay, in the drawing mode, so for front top casing, similar like right top casing and the view palette, I will drag the top view. Okay, under the view palette here. Right, hold on. I need to refresh here. Okay, this is a front top casing. I will drag the top view to this position, and I will not do the other view. I press escape. Okay, this one tangent need to be removed, and the scale is 2:1. Right, and we need to show hidden line. Okay, same approach. I will do full section, horizontal here. Then the front view, okay, we don't have any rib here. Then this is front section view. Okay, about the labeling, since this is every time we have a new drawing sheet, so we start by X, Y, Y. You can label it, but kind of like standard. The first labeling is X, X, Y, Y. Then you go for Z, Z. After you've done that, then you can go for A, B, C. It's up to you, all right? Okay, please take note on this. Okay, this is section view front. Okay, so I will go for the first starting one must be X, X section. All right. Okay, same approach. I have a section view here. Okay, about the other features that I need to show is the I need to show the features of this since we have a hole here because here is a hole of this front top casing where we at the bottom we fit in the what we call it the push button will be fit at the bottom of this front top casing. So I can go for my section view vertical at this position. Then I click OK. Okay, this will not. This is not. I consider it as a full. I will consider this as a remove section. And okay, is there any rib? I don't have any rib. I just click OK. So I put it on the right here. On the right here, then okay, here I will do rotate the view, and we go for 90. Okay, sorry. Or if we put it on the right, it should be negative 90. So it is this orientation. And apply and close. And here I got to break the alignment. And okay, this is consider what my what I'm trying to say, this is a remove section. I can bring it. Don't have to be aligned with this because I consider this as a remove section. We can consider this as a remove section. All right. Maybe I drag this little bit to here. Okay, this is a remove section. Okay, this is, I will label this as Y. Right. And okay, the purpose of this remove section, I can shows put dimension of certain features that I can show in this view, right? Okay. All right. Another remove section that I might consider to put is I will do at the opening here of this front top casing. I will do another set. I will not do a side view. I can drag a side view, but I think better to put it as another what we call it remove section. So I will go another section view, vertical at this position. Okay, at this position, then I click OK, and we don't have any ribs there. Okay, I will put the view, I just put it here for a while, break the alignment, and this one I will rotate. For this is negative 90. Apply, close, then here I will bring it. Okay, set this is by default is BH. I already have Y X X Y Y, and this one is Z, right? Okay, okay, the scale here, remove, remove. All right, now it's about how we put the dimension for this uh, front front top casing. Okay. Okay, as like what I did in rear top casing, the main dimension is okay. Before dimensioning, it's a good practice you completed all the center line that we can put into each view. For example, here it's kind of like this is actually a hole here. I need to show the center line, so I need here and here to mark a center line there, and about here need to show since this is a remove section, the flip the arrow dimension like that, it means this portion on the right here will be removed, so whatever on the left, this what we will see. So here is we don't I will do a center mark here, right? Here I will do the center mark, since this is, if I'm not mistaken, this is a circle, right? Center marks, and I go for one scale. All right, and here also I need to put a center line, since this is kind of like a circular hole cutting through this top surface of this front top casing. All right. Okay, now I will do the dimensioning. All right, dimension. The first thing is about the total length from here to here, 60. And I also will give the, since this is by lofting, I cannot select this line. Okay, I use the endpoint and an endpoint. So I go for this direction level. And the important features to can show the dimension is for the opening. Okay, the opening here I will not do the height. The height here I can go for, I can give the radius. Since it is a half circle, so I give the radius, so we know that the here the thickness is 13. Right, and also I need to show, since if we look at sometimes before you put dimension, you study about what features you want to show the dimension. I want to show the inner radius, and also this radius. The inner radius is here. This one, 4.5. And okay, another dimension is about the thickness of the groove. So this is a line of the groove. Okay, I forgot to put. Okay, smart dimension. This line and this line, 22, and the position of we have this groove for the snap features from here to here, 6, and from here to here is 4. Okay, later I will do adjustment, and the distance from here to here, 33. Okay, I think it's good enough to show the dimension of these two slots here, and also the okay, since we have okay, if you look at the front top casing, the features, we have a 2-pin. The 2-pin, the level of the surface is in line with this flat surface here, right? So I don't have to show the height since it's in line. So what I can show about the pin is the diameter, right? The diameter of the pin, right? The diameter of the pin. And okay, since I'm mentioning about the diameter of this pin, I need to check back. Okay, hold on. I need to check back my red top casing about the bottom casing. I already give, yeah, I already give the diameter of this 3 and the inner diameter, right? Okay, this is front top casing. So what I need is just a diameter here. Okay, diameter 1.5 for the pin and 1 decimal point. And okay, another dimension is, before I do adjustment, okay, about the holes here. This is actually a holes. If I want to do let me check if I can do the dimension of the radius. Yeah, you can read, so you can show the, okay, let me do it again. This hole, diameter 13, and we have a thickness there. This is the inner diameter. Since we have kind of like the lips here, I need to show this diameter as well. Okay, dimension. Okay, this diameter. Okay, this one I can show it, but the outer circle I cannot show the radius. Or for what I can do, I can put the dimension here. Okay, from this distance to this. Okay, it stated 15. Okay, then I bring it down. So this is supposed to be diameter. So under the text here, I delete it. Yes, so I will go for diameter symbol and 15, right? Diameter 15. Let me do adjustment. So this is too far away and no decimal point. And okay, this one move it a little bit closer. No decimal point. No decimal point. Okay, this one need to be in line. Okay, this one need to be, okay, hold on. Okay, I should bring it like this. Okay, if I go for 6, no decimal point, right? And this 4, okay, if you look, this 6 is, the arrow is pointing inward. Okay, and the 4 here is, if I click at the 6th dimension, I go for the leader here, I go for the second option, and Okay, this one looks okay to me. Then this one is no decimal point. All right. Okay, now I already have the features of the length and features of the location of the two grooves here, but the height of the groove is not stated, so I need to give this dimension. Okay, in drawing sometimes is okay. You can put the dimension inside. In terms of clarity, it's much better to put it inside rather than you put to the further side of the dimension extension line. Okay, okay, that height is one. And another thing is, okay, I already give this dimension and diameter. I think, okay, the total width. Oh yeah, about the total width is the, here, this line, 26. Right, let me pause this video. I check whether I have completed the dimension or not. Then I will resume to the position until I have completed all the dimension. Let me pause this video. All right. Another dimension is that I forgot to put is the thickness, right? The thickness of this casing, of this rear top, front top casing. From this point to this point is 2. And yeah, we have a kind of like a step here. Need to be show also the thickness of this step of the we have a depth here of because of the push button. I need to show dimension from here to, okay, I can go for dot, not this line. I can go for here to here like this, and I can bring this dimension here. All right, so I need to give the height of this level since this already 1 and we know the thickness is 2, but we have a balance here. From here to here need to be show also the dimension from this line to this line. Okay, if I cannot go for line, I can go for endpoint. I go for like this, vertical distance of it. Okay, hold on. This one, let me cancel this thing. The dimension that I will do is from this point to this point. So I will go, we have a vertical dimension of 1.5. So I can bring it to this position. All right, and another thing, this, okay, we have these features, this opening, it would be here, this one, since I have not give the dimension of this, and this is the radius 9. Okay, the radius 9 here. So it means that this height from here is known as 9, right? This is radius 9. Okay, since I did mention that we have to be not so detailed, this is actually kind of like detail, but not a complete dimension. Okay, about the section YY, so what is the significance of this section YY? We can put some dimension that we miss in these three views that we have. Okay, the dimension that should be put here is, as you can see, I have the diameter 15 here. I already have the diameter 13 there. About the bigger diameter here, I think I have not put yet the dimension from here to here. So I can show it in this section YY. So I will put a dimension from here to here, and it's stated 17, but it cannot recognize it as a circle. It's not showing the diameter symbol. So under the text here, under the text here, I will delete this. Just click OK. I replace it by diameter symbol and 17. So this will be the diameter of the bigger hole there. Okay, since we have this is the cross section of the front top casing, and the thickness we know that is 2 because the 2 thickness is given. Because we have a features of this cutting we call the groove of the front top casing. I can show the at this put dimension from this point to this point to show that the thickness of the groove is 1. Right? Let me bring it a little bit up here, and hold on, and like this. Okay, let me save my file. Right, let me do some, okay, this thing need to be this position. Be careful, I just need to mention to you, dimension line cannot cut the cutting line. The dimension line cannot cut the cutting plane, so it have to be here. 26. All right. Okay, this need to be into this. Make it a little bit nearer. 1 decimal point. 1 decimal point. All right. Okay, I think another thing I forgot to put dimensions about. We have a key features here. Since this is because the cap we have a groove of the slot or groove. So here we have a key. You kind of like snapping the cap when we snap lock into the position. So I think I have to give a dimension. Show at least the length of the key like this, and also okay, this need to be in line like this, and I can give dimension okay to show at least we have some pictures to show the key size. I got the length here. I don't have to be so detailed as long as show some and what the width of the key. 2. And the 2, as I mentioned, okay, we need to sometimes I don't understand why it kind of like always the location of dimension is always moved to other position. All right, okay, so it is 2 done. Okay, all right. I strongly believe that I think I have make a quite detailed dimension, not complete, because as mentioned, this is a plastic only, not to be 100% complete, but it's quite detailed and already show features of the of this front top casing. Alhamdulillah, I strongly believe that I have completed everything of this SolidWorks Electric Eraser project. From the beginning, part 1 of my video, I have shown you how I do start of my part modeling, start from the main casing, then into top casing and bottom casing, and I've done all the other parts modeling, and I've already shown you how I do assembly. I've shown you how I do exploded view, and I've shown you how a set of working drawing, assembly drawing, exploded, bottom casing drawing, tip holder gripper, button cap drawing, and rear top casing and front top casing. So I believe this is a completed part of this project. Okay, actually this is not my final video. In the next video, it's a short video. I will show you how you compile your works before you send your works to e-learning. Alright, thanks for watching this video, and as usual, I would like to say that please do show some appreciation by clicking like and subscribe my channel. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.